Hi grade 3, this is Mr. Kellett. I'm sorry I'm not in your class today, but I did want to leave you a video just to show you what we're doing today and hopefully get you guys started on the right track. So we're going to open up Chrome. You guys should probably have it open there, and there's going to be a link actually on our webpage to code.org right there. But in case it's not linked, it's on the grade 3 page. It'll be there, the link. But we're going to go to code.org, and when you go there, you'll see this page first, and you've got these beautiful looking people. I think that's Shakira there. We got Mark Zuckerberg. He started Facebook out. All kinds of cool people here. We can watch this video if you want, but you don't really have to. We can actually just click start and get going. So let's click it, and you'll come to this page here. At the very top of the page says tutorials for beginners. If you've tried this already, you can continue if you want on this one, the Angry Birds tutorial. And let me just click this real quick. It'll open a new tab, and it'll open that series of puzzles. Now, if you've tried it before, now I'm going to skip the video. You should watch the videos, okay? But I'm just going to skip it right now. And if you've done this before and you got up to level 8 last time, and now you're back in level 1, you can skip ahead just by clicking up here. If you haven't done it yet, do them in order, because these puzzles, each by themselves, they start pretty easy, but the skills you learn in puzzle number 1 helps you in puzzle 2, and the skills you learn in puzzle 2 helps you in number 3, and so on. And also watch all of the videos. The videos will be really helpful for teaching you how to do this. Okay, real quickly here, you're the Angry Bird, you're trying to get the pig. You have to build your program over here. When you're happy with your program, you press run. This looks a lot like Scratch, doesn't it? It's very much like Scratch. The difference is in Scratch we'd say move forward and we'd have a number of steps. In this program we don't have a number of steps. We just know move forward means one block. So one move forward will move the Angry Bird to here. Let's try it. Oh, and there he goes, one step forward. That's not what I want though. Oh, he didn't get there. Okay, try again. Reset. I have to actually put a second move forward block in there. And now when I run the program, sure enough, step, woohoo, he ate the pig, or poked him, or whatever the Angry Birds do when they get the pigs. Okay, so go through this. It gets really hard in places. Let me give you a couple hints. Hint number 1, you're allowed to ask neighbors for help. That's not cheating. They're not allowed to touch your mouse. They're not allowed to touch your keyboard, but they can talk to you and point and tell you. Don't keep it a secret if you know how to do something. Don't just ruin it and tell people before they ask. But if somebody asks you, hey, you're in level 7 and I'm in level 6 and I'm stuck, how did you do it? Help them out. Be a good neighbor, okay? It's not a secret. That's my first hint. Second hint is make sure you watch the videos, okay? Third hint, you can actually stand up out of your chair and try walking and think, set up a little maze for yourself in front of you and think of how it works for you to get past, okay? So try these out. Now, if you have done this, let me close this and go back to this page to start. If you've done the Angry Birds one and you want to try something different, we're going to click this arrow once, brings to Scratch. We've done enough Scratch. We're going to do something different today. Click it again and brings you to this one called Tinker. You can open this one at Tinker. And the Tinker ones, I don't think they're as good as the Angry Bird one. I prefer the Angry Bird one, but if you've already done the Angry Bird, then you're free to start onto this Tinker one. And the Tinker page has lots of these. Now, they'll have grade levels here, grades 1 through 3. This is one that's nice and easy. Okay, I suggest you start with this. If you've done the Angry Bird one, this one might be too easy, so you could skip ahead to a different one. Okay, I actually think the Space Zombies, it's harder, but you could try that out. Okay, but check them out. There's different ones. This one's grade 3 through 8, so you can try that. This one over here, I think if you've done this one, this is the beginner one. This is a little bit harder, Puppy Adventure one. But try them out, and again, we're working on these today. It's about coding, it's about solving problems, it's about solving puzzles, it's about helping out your neighbors. Have fun, try your best to solve the problems, think creatively, and I will see you when I'm back.